Nexo is a coin that is right now exchanged at $0.556384 per unit, with the market capitalization of $311,574,874. That makes it a low-position digital currency. Computerized resources like Nexo have previously turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for huge institutional financial backers who see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a for the most part compelling support against expansion that takes a weighty cost for the worldwide economy. In this way, having essentially a piece of the portfolio committed to crypto is basically an unquestionable requirement for any broker and financial backer who sort of needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years. However, with it comes the need to intently follow the advancements on the expressed market to appreciate what is going on and truly have some feeling representing things to come. This Nexo cost expectation model was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, for the most part track down the sort of the best coins or tokens to put resources into, and explicitly keep the value been developing. However, prior to diving into the inside and out Nexo examination and cost forecast, we might want to, for the most part, help you to remember the very fundamental principles of digital money exchanging and speculation, which is very huge. So, we should zero in on the Nexo market, its kind of current standings, as well as the midterm and long-haul cost expectation that certainly depends on the readings of our in every practical sense exclusive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX. As of now, the cost of Nexo really remains at $0.556384, and this in every practical sense. Specific computerized resource stands firm on the 72nd foothold in the worldwide digital currency positioning in a significant manner. For your data, the positioning of each and every cryptographic money essentially is vigorously dependent on its sort of current market capitalization and cost, and generally is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to, which is very critical. Likewise, to get a superior handle of the market circumstance and figure out the overall heading of the pattern, or to sort of enlist its non-appearance, it's likewise essential to dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on September 18th, the cost of Nexo certainly remained at $0.566260 at the end of the in every practical sense day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 2.95% distinction when contrasted with the ongoing cost. 7 days prior, on September 12th, the Nexo market basically remained at $0.555184 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% comparable to its current standing. A month prior, on August 19th, Nexo was evaluated at $0.588933, which harmonized with our cost expectation for that specific period. Contrasted with the exceptionally present place of Nexo, it addresses a 5.53% cost move, or so they thought, at the point when it especially comes to digital forms of money. Market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's offer, or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its exceptionally by and large fame with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous cryptographic money dealers view market capitalization as a really key marker to be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices in an unobtrusive way. It is determined by duplicating the exceptionally complete number of coins that basically are right now available for use, coursing supply, by the ongoing cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, by in every practical sense, remains at $0.556384, which is very huge. Considering that equation, we have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Nexo to be at $311,574,874, which legitimizes its place as the 72nd coin among those genuinely present on the digital money market in a genuinely significant manner. Yesterday, on September 18th, the market capitalization of Nexo sort of remained at $317,105,363. Keep going weak. On September 12th, the certainly aggregate sum of capital committed to Nexo was laid out at $310,903,183. The information from a month prior, enlisted on August 19th, especially shows that Nexo had a market capitalization of $329,802,262. As its name proposes, most extreme stock alludes to the roof measure of coins that will at any point be mined or printed inside the relating blockchain network. When that sum generally is gotten, the framework stops the age of new coins for good, which is genuinely critical. The most extreme stockpile in a real sense is normally basically demonstrated in the source code of the hidden convention, as well as the white paper. Incredibly, the commencement towards the fundamentally most extreme stockpile typically by and large beginnings with the arrangement of the first beginning block on the blockchain. In our occasion, Nexo has a sort of most extreme stock of 100,000,000,000 coins. This specific element of a sort of specific coin can be considered as a support against expansion on the grounds that the foreordained issuance rate joined with the stockpile roof frequently delivers the coin deflationary. Once the most extreme inventory is reached, and makes a pre-modified shortage of a given resource, which makes the circumstances for a more unsurprising and especially consistent cost appreciation. Complete stock focuses to the quantity of coins that certainly have proactively been mined, stamped, or generally made, and are either circling available or secured in engineers' or alternately holders' chili wallets, or so they thought. The all-out supply likewise considers any coins that have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate. Or so they essentially thought. It very well may be contrasted with the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that certainly is public on the financial exchange, which explicitly is very critical. The truly all-out supply of Nexo at present fundamentally remains at 100,000,000,000 Nexo. Amazingly, as currently made sense of, the flowing stock is the most generally utilized in every way that really matters. Metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, or so they thought. It compares with the best guess of the general number of coins that are public on cryptographic money trades and truly add to their liquidity. Their volume does exclude the coins that are vested, marked in truly brilliant agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or in a real sense put unavailable for general use. The flowing stock is essentially what could be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the securities exchange in an unpretentious way. At the present time, the flowing stock of Nexo generally is assessed at 560,000,011 Nexo in an unobtrusive manner. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can assist one with deciding better section and leave focuses on the grounds that as per the guidelines of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversions, or unions frequently happen at the cost levels that are joined by generally genuinely high volume, since those especially are the volumes where large cash had become possibly the most important factor in a kind of huge manner. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Nexo market was as per the following. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Nexo market added up to $1,736,744. Yesterday, on September 18th, the really normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting basically added up to $1,819,093.